Dr. Honorable Ajibola Muraina. Mr. Speaker, I represent Barapa Central, Barapa North Federal Constituency. I am from Oyo State. Mr. Speaker, I most humbly want to urge this House to allow me to bring under Order 8 Rule 4 Sub Rule 1 as a matter of urgent public importance, incessant attacks and kidnappings on my constituents at Igboora, Idere, Ayete, Tafa, Igangan, Lanlate, and Irua, forming Barapa Central, Barapa North, and Barapa East local governments of Oyo State. It's been very serious, and it's very urgent. Serially, they are attacking them almost on a daily basis, and it's very unbecoming. I urge, most humbly, please permit me to bring it under a matter of urgent public importance, pursuant to Order 8, Rule 4 Sub Rule 1. I also pray, Mr. Speaker, to humbly pray you again to allow for suspension of Order 8, Rule 4, Sub Rule 3, to allow me to take the motion very briefly within 2 minutes. Thank you, my honorable colleagues, Mr. Speaker.
Thanks. Those who feel this matter is urgent enough, please say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Honorable Muraino, your second leg, please.
Rule 4 Sub Rule 3 to enable me to take the motion immediately. I most humbly pray.
Muraino move his motion. Say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Honorable Muraino.
Right Honorable Speaker, I want to seek the permission of the House to move in terms of the motion papers, which is already before the House, so that I will just read 1 or 2 paragraphs and proceed to resolution so that I don't waste the time of the House. The House notes with apprehension the desertedly attacks and kidnappings carried out on Irua, Lanlate, Igangan, Tafa, Ayete, Igboora, and Idere in Barapa East, Barapa Central, and Barapa North local government areas of Oyo State by armed bandits and criminal elements notorious for kidnapping, rape, and extortion of huge sums of money from their victims. These bandits carried out their daylight robberies and kidnappings on the innocent people, mostly at various fuel stations, highways, and other farmlands. Mr. Speaker, I proceed straight to read our resolutions. The House resolves to urge the Inspector General of Police, in collaboration with other security agencies, to regid the security architecture to ensure the security of lives and property, not only in Oyo State and in all these 3 local governments, but the entire country, and to deploy officers to security flash points to curb criminal activities. 2, the House also urged the National Emergency Agency to visit the affected communities and individuals and then provide them relief materials in order to compensate for their losses and ease their physical and psychological trauma. 3, to mandate the Committees on Police Affairs, Emergency and Disaster Preparedness, when constituted, to ensure compliance and report back to the House within 4 weeks. Mr. Speaker, I urge that in the absence of these committees, the federal government could be written through the Secretary of the federal government or the appropriate agencies to do what we are seeking for. Right Honorable Speaker, my honorable colleagues, I move in terms of the motion papers. I most humbly move. I thank you all.
Since we have no committees set up right now, and I'll direct the clerk to write to the Inspector General, communicate with the Inspector General of Police and all other relevant security agencies in accordance with this resolution, and to also write to NEMA, the agency, the relevant agency, in accordance with our resolution.